Hi guys, welcome to another 1 minute 1 question challenge with Miss Pashtu. Here is your next question. Pause the video and have a go. For this question, you need to know substitution, negative numbers, powers, and reciprocal of a fraction. If you don't know any of these, please first revise the topics to understand the solution. Even though you know these topics, but you may not have managed to solve it, let's have a look at it together. When you see a worded question like this, first turn it into mathematical language. What do I mean? The question says the value of A is 2. So you can write A equals 2. The value of B is minus 2. B equals minus 2. C is 2 over 3. And D is the reciprocal of C. Remember it from question 4. To find the reciprocal of a fraction, turn the fraction upside down. Therefore, if C is 2 over 3, to find the reciprocal of 2/3, turn it upside down. It will be 3 over 2, which is the value of D. Now, we have summarized the question as mathematical language, and all values are ready to substitute into this expression. The tricky part of the question is the negative numbers here. I'll find the value of negative A minus B to the power of 2005. To substitute, we will replace the letters with numbers. So negative, write as it is, and the value of A is 2 here, and minus, and the value of B is negative 2, be careful. I'll keep simplifying, negative 2. So remember guys, if two signs are next to each other, the operation between them is times. Therefore, negative times negative makes a positive, so positive 2. So negative 2 and positive 2 cancel out. The answer will be 0. 0 to the power of 2005 makes 0. Because 0 times 0 times 0 makes 0. The value of the power doesn't matter if the base is 0. Alright? Now, let's have a look at here. Again, remember guys, if two letters are next to each other, the operation between them is times. This is C times D to the power of 2020. The value of C is 2 over 3, and the value of D is 3 over 2. So the rule is the top times top, the bottom times the bottom. 6 divided by 6 makes 1. Also, here you can simplify straight away. 2 cancels the 2, 3 cancels the 3. Alright, so it makes 1 again. 1 to the power of 2020 makes 1, because 1 times 1 times 1 makes 1. So we can say if the base is 1, the value of the power doesn't matter. Alright? Now guys, I know the value of this, which is 0, and the value of this 1. So you can add them up and the final answer will be 1. Alright? There are two key points in this question that you must know. The first key point is here guys. If you have the same numbers but with opposite signs, their sum will always be 0. For example, negative 2020 and positive 2020, if you add them up, they cancel out, the answer is 0. For example, positive 1 over 5 and negative 1 over 5, if you add them up, it makes 0. Alright? The second key point is here. 3 over 2 is the reciprocal of 2 over 3. Alright? So when you multiply them, it makes 1. Therefore, we can say when you multiply a fraction by its reciprocal, the answer will always be 1. Alright? Please pause the video and write down these 2 key points in your exercise book and highlight them. Here is one more question for you. Check back soon for another 1 minute, 1 question challenge.